Hello, everybody. This is Dave from the Nose Knows. We are going to be doing videos on Kodi. Kodi is an app where you can get movies, TV shows, old, new, totally for free. Now, who wouldn't love this? Before I begin, I'd appreciate a like, for you to smash the bell icon, and for you to subscribe, which is very quick, easy, and extremely safe, so nobody has to worry about, anything. Okay, let's start from the beginning. We go to settings. We go to My Fire TV, and you click that. You go down to Developer Options. You click it. You make sure apps from unknown sources are clicked. If it's not clicked, you will not be able to get it because this is a third-party app. Okay, so that must be clicked. Okay, now let's go back. We're going to go back up to the top, going all the way to the left. And we are going to type in Downloader. D-O-W. There it is. You highlight it and you click it. There it is, all the way on your left side. Now, I'm not going to reinstall it because it's already on my system. So what you do is you click it and you install it. And when you open it up, it will look like this. Make sure you go all the way to your right to your settings and make sure all of the boxes are clicked. Otherwise, Downloader may not work properly. Okay. Now, what you do is you go into see where the cursor is up on the left side? You type in the following URL, which is kodi dot TV / download. DOWNLOAD. Then you go to the Go button, and it will direct you to a site, the Kodi site. This is the download site where you're going to get the software. So now I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. You scroll all the way down. Okay, now these are the different platforms that you can get Kodi on. We, of course, want Android. So what you do is you go up to the Android and you click. Okay, then we go down. This is layer 18.9. Okay, we go over to the ARM V7A 32-bit, and you click that. Now, as you can see up on the top, it is starting to download. There we go. It's 63.5 megabytes large. Okay, it's usually pretty quick. It usually doesn't take more than 45 seconds to a minute, depending upon the speed of your device and what device that you have. Okay, and then you get this here. What you do is you go down, you highlight install, and you click it. And Kodi begins to install on your Android device. Okay, it's usually pretty quick. I'm using a Fire TV Cube at this time. Okay, see on the right side, it says it's ready to launch. You hit done. Okay. Now, you don't want to waste your space on your Fire TV or any device you're using. So what you do is you highlight and delete the package. Simple as that. And now it's gone. Now we're going to get out of the downloader. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going all the way to settings. You go to applications. You click applications. You go down to managed installed applications. And you click. Go down, go down, go down, and there is your kodi. You click it. You hit launch application. Hit continue, allow. And on the bottom you see preparing for the first run. Please wait. Okay, it's coming up. And there is your kodi. Now, you're not going to be able to get any movies or anything right this second. On my next video, which will be directly after this one, I am going to teach you how to put builds on here. Builds are full of add-ons that you can use to get your movies, your TV shows, and anything that you would like. I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It is greatly appreciated. God bless and have a great day.